If you have a pet that likes to chew your Echo Dot cords, I have a solution for you. These affordable power cords from Amazon. They're not the name brand, but they work just as good. I'll show you right here. Oops, comes in black, comes in white. There we go. And when you replace it, get some of this plastic sleeving to protect the new cords so you're not replacing them constantly like I was doing. But it's a great solution, nice, affordable solution for replacing those damaged cords.